Please listen, very important thing I'm telling you guys. Most of the people, they can't speak in English because they do translation. वो translation करते हैं. And you know, when we speak our mother tongue, जब हम अपनी मातृभाषा में बात करते हैं तब हम क्या करते हैं? When we speak our mother tongue, we don't do translation. We do encoding. Yes, we do encoding. Encoding क्या है? Whatever I think, I speak directly in any particular language. If it is English, then okay, whatever I think, I speak in English. Whatever I think, I speak in any language. That is encoding. And English. We are not going to do translation here. We are going to do encoding. Whatever I am thinking, I should be able to speak. Okay, let's do one practice. Yes, please don't go anywhere. Right now, we are going to do a very simple practice. Are you ready? Please, guys, I'm so excited to do this practice, and I want wherever you are, you leave anyone. You don't let anybody disturb you. We are going to do one small practice. I will also do it with you. Okay? I will show you one word. I will show you one word on your screen, and you have to make a sentence. Are you ready? Fine. The word will come and you have to make a sentence. Again, the words will change into a new word. You have to make a sentence. So words will come, you have to make a sentence. Words will come and you have to make a sentence. आपके सामने word आएगा, आपको एक sentence बनानी है. और हर 2-3 सेकंड के बाद वो word change हो जाएगा. Are you ready? Let's do the practice. So guys, this is a free English fluency tool number 1. Let's go ahead and practice with me. I love to speak English alone. I have the ability to speak in English. I love to be in the dark place. I never try to beat anyone, rather improve myself. I see many positive qualities in you. Okay, fine. So guys, what was happening right now? Words were coming, I was speaking in English. Words were coming, I was speaking in English. It is not encoding, but it is almost like an encoding, because in encoding what happens? Thought comes and we speak in English. Thought comes and we speak in English. We never translate. And in this very English fluency tool number 1, what I was doing, words were coming and I was speaking in English. Words were coming and I was speaking in English. Almost like an encoding. And if you do this exercise for 90 days, yes, if you do this exercise for 90 days, you will see, you will generate this practice of encoding very fast. Are you ready to get this fluency tool free of cost in your mail ID? क्या आप चाहते हो ये इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी टूल नंबर 1 आपके मेल आईडी में जाए और आप घर पे बैठ के इसे अपने लैपटॉप में स्टार्ट कर दो? एंड फॉर 5 मिनट्स, यस, हमने तो अभी we did it for small time, but this fluency tool is for 5 minutes, and when you start this for 5 minutes, you can speak in English, you can encode these words into sentences, and it will improve your fluency. It will improve your fluency, and after 5 minutes of exercise, you will feel, wow! It will increase and enhance your confidence. It will enhance your confidence. Are you ready? If you are ready to get this fluency tool number 1 free of cost, yes, free of cost, then there is a button below. Click on the button and just enter your details, especially your mail ID, and receive this file in your mail ID. And please ensure that when you check your mail ID, you check your promotion folders also. Okay, So guys, Subhash Karthik is signing off. Please guys, this is absolutely free. Go to the button, click on the button, just put your details and get this Fluency tool number 1 absolutely free. You know guys, why this is a tool number 1? Because there are many such tools and I'm going to give you all the tools slowly and gradually, part by part. Are you ready? Then please go to the button, click on the button and enter your details. And please don't pay anything. This is absolutely free. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.